So let us see the demonstration of the project, fall detection along with airbag opening for safety of elders. So in this project mainly we are using Node MCU and which was interfaced to the sensor like ADXL gyroscope here. So this gyroscope is used to detect the fall when the person is bending towards the back side or left side or right side. So we can see that when we done that, the relay gets switched on. So the relay was used to allow the CO2 cartridge air pumping. So this CO2 cartridge we are using for airbag opening purpose, and that will be controlled through this solenoid lock, which will allow the CO2 gas into this safety air neck directly. So we are going to mounting into this one. So first of all, tighten this is the non-open new one, and this is already previously tested one. Okay, this is open already. So tighten this tightly. We should place this here at the top of the position. So once we tighten this, then gently place it here. Okay, and this is a screw to set the sensitivity of opening for the CO2 gas from here. Right. So when we tighten fastly, then the system will allow the fast manner the air CO2 air to this throughout this airbag, and place it over here. Connect this. So now this is closed loop. Okay. So here before demonstration we should keep the battery under charging. For that purpose we have provided this charging circuit to the transformer. So this is the 2-pin to keep the battery under charging. Please connect over here and keep the battery charging at least of 4 to 5 hours before demonstration, so to get the flawless output directly. So once the time completion, you can disconnect the charger. And now this is the main on-off switch to the kit. Okay, see now when I on the kit, so the light indicator on this one, see now again, so everything is normal again. Okay, see, so if you move normally, so we set the sensitivity bit high. So if you move normally, then no input to this walking person is. So whenever he accidentally falling, you can see that the relay got switched on. So which will unlock this solenoid lock, which will allow the air from the CO2 cartridge throughout this airbag. So let us see the demonstration. So whenever it is falling to this, then this relay got switched on, and as you can see the air is pumping into this. So if you set the high sensitivity faster manner, right, you can see it is pumping the air into this airbag. Right. Okay. So for safety, just I'm opening here. Right. Okay. So the air is directly going out from the solenoid lock. So I'm releasing the air from the airbag again. To release the air from the air lock, just again place it over here. Right. Already it was completed the air inside the CO2 cartridge. So in this manner the safety will be provided for the elderly while they are walking if an accidental fall was detected. Thank you. Videos now. So this I am tightening this slowly. So this will pumping this to the pushing of small needle to this CO2 cartridge, and that will be allowed to this through the pipe to this airbag through this solenoid lock. So let us tighten that. Start. So when so-called fall detected into this, so this relay automatically gets switched on, and slowly it will pumping the air into this airbag. So slowly we can see that. So we have set the slow intensity. So if you want to set this intensity also more fast, right, you can see, so it's fastly filling that. Right now it is fastly filled in, and now it is fully tightened that.